Welcome back to Dan's Kitchen. Today's recipe is Paneer Tikka. We're gonna marinate all of the veggies first. Take a large bowl, 1 cup of curd, 1 spoon of chili powder, half spoon of coriander powder, pinch of turmeric powder, half spoon of roasted cumin powder, half spoon of pepper powder, 1 spoon of garam masala powder, 1 spoon of chicken masala. This is optional. 1 spoon of kasuri methi, 3 spoon of roasted besan flour, 1 spoon of salt. Oops, we forgot ginger garlic paste. Okay, no problem. We can add 1 teaspoon. Mix all of the ingredients very well. Now it's time to add veggies. Paneer cubes, onion cubes, capsicums. If you want, you can add what you have. Now marinate for 1 hour. Let's make green chutney for the tikka. 2 garlics, 1 ginger small piece, mint, coriander leaves, two tablespoons of yogurt, half spoon of roasted cumin powder, little bit of salt, half lemon juice, one green chili. Grain all together to get a smooth paste. Our green chutney is ready. Let's get the marinated veggies. Skew all veggies with the skewed sticks 1 by 1. Like this. It's ready to grill. Heat the grill. Pour some oil on it. We're using olive oil. Oh, it's time to place all the skewers on the grill. Fry it evenly. Pour some oil if you need. Wow, look at that. It looks perfect. Flip all the sides. Now it's ready. Try this recipe. Let me know your comment. Serve hot with green chutney. Delicious. Keep supporting our channel. Like and share. Subscribe to our channel. Bye bye guys.